the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. Today I want to talk about how can I configure hotspot in MikroTik router. First, you should go and create a bridge and include some ports in a bridge. Second, you should configure these things like addresses, DNS, firewall, routers, and DHCP in MikroTik router. Third, you should directly go to the hotspot to create for a user a get profile. Let's do these things. Now I want to see that what is my IP in for the MikroTik. Now I want to enter to the MikroTik router terminal to see that what is my IP address print. Yeah, you can see that my IP is 192.168.43.48. I want to copy this one and I want to paste this in box to log in, and password will be admin. Now I want to connect it. Yeah, I connected. When I connected, before everything else, and now I want to create a bridge. First bridge, bridge 1, yeah, apply or okay. And after I want to enter to this port, and I want to select Ethernet 3, apply or okay, and also Ethernet 4. Both of I want to include in bridge 1. And after it I want to enter to IP in addresses to create address 172.16.0.1/16 for bridge 1. Now I want to okay or apply this one, and also now I want to enter the DNS to create a DNS and write a DNS for it. It is also the part of DNS. And now I want to enter to firewall and enter to net to select the firewall Masquerade, and after I want to apply or okay. When I exit from it, now I want to enter to routes. Yeah, you can see that routes is already done. Now I want to enter to DHCP server, DHCP setup. I want to DHCP for bridge 1 because I already do this one. I want to next this one, and also next, and also next, and okay, successful, it done. When I do these things, now I want to directly enter to hotspots. When I enter to hotspot, now I want to select the server. If you select any one server, this is depend on you. You can select bridge 1 and also DHCP pool 0, and profile is now default. I want to create this one. After I want to apply or okay this one, and now I want to user profile. I want to enter to user profile. I want to create a profile for someone like 1 MB. Yeah, I want to get IP from DHCP pool, and now I want to limit the internet 1 MB/1 MB. Now I want to apply okay this one, and also I want to create another one. So the 512 KB. I want to create this one, and now I want to select DHCP pool 0, and now I want to write 512 K slash 512 K, and now I want to apply or okay this one, and after I want to enter to user to create a user for it. When I created, before everything else, I want to enter to server. Sorry, I do not set up the hotspot setup. Now I want to set up the hotspot for bridge 1. Next, and also next. And now I want to create the DNS name, jake.com is the DNS name, and I want to next this one. Now I don't want to configure the password because I don't need to it. Yeah, authenticate. Now it's scan. I want to enter to user profile. Yeah, you can see that everything is done. Now I want to enter to user to create our user. Server 1, I want to use server 1, and now I want to use Jake 1. Now password is Jake 1, and I want to use profile for this user when MB. I want to apply OK this one, and now I want to configure another one. Select the server, and also I want to use Jake 2 and also Jake 2. And after it I want to use a profile and select a profile 512 KB. I want to apply or OK this one, and when I do these things, now I want to enter to my DNS to see that what is occur and what will be great. Now I want to see this one. Now I want to, before everything else, I want to enter to edit config, and I want to remove these hash from these places. Now I want to save it this one, and now I want to start and enter to console, and now I want to check it. Jake dot can slash, yeah, you can see it. I want to enter to Jake 1 and tab. I want to press tab Jake 1. You can see that I enter to the my profile, that my IP is 172.16.255.253. You can see. Now I want to check it in terminal, that is internet come or not. Ping 8.8. This is also a server name. Yes, you can see that server is also pinging. And after it I want to exit from it and enter to my PC. Before anything else, I want to edit this one. I want to disable DHCP, and this I want to remove this hash, and now I want to start this one and see it to enter to console, and you can see that I will give IP. Yes, now I can I give a IP. I get IP from MikroTik router. Now I want to ping my MikroTik router 172.16.0.1. You can see that I can ping it. Yeah, thank you so much for your joining, and thank you so much for your watching. Please support and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.